present you the magnetic resonance imaging or MRI scanner. Many of you might already have met him for the purpose of some medical diagnosis. And it's normal, since it is one of the most used imaging and diagnostic techniques. MRI originates detailed images of the soft tissues in our body, and usually the damaged or diseased tissues show some differences regarding the healthy tissues, what we call contrast. Therefore, MRI is very useful in the diagnostic of conditions affecting soft tissues such as tumor, damaged ligaments, joint and spinal injury, and also diseases in the brain, heart, and digestive organs. However, in many cases, the difference in contrast between the healthy and diseased tissues is not so remarkable, and therefore it often requires the use of contrast agents. Contrast agents are substances that travel through our body and accumulate in the injured areas, allowing a better differentiation between the healthy and diseased tissue and improving the diagnosis. The contrast agents currently used in the clinics are based on gadolinium. Gadolinium has a long track record of safety, and a small amount of gadolinium does not put patients at risk. However, in some cases, it can provoke some adverse effects. For this reason, it is urgent to either replace gadolinium or to find a more stable and safe way to deliver it, producing safer and more efficient contrast agents. In my work at SICBio-Magun, we aim at using designed proteins to create novel contrast agents. And now, I guess you are thinking, proteins, but that's not what we eat in the meat and yogurts. And the answer is yes, but also proteins are the gears that make the world work. That is, proteins are very tiny molecules that are like machines and work in an orchestrated manner to make a lot of processes happen. Moreover, proteins have a well-defined relationship between their structure and their function, and scientists can use this information to make new proteins. In our case, we take advantage of this wonder from nature to design proteins able to stabilize metals with MRI contrast capabilities. We aim at designing proteins that coordinate these metals in a tighter way, decreasing the risk of leakage and improving the safety. This way, we can have the best of both worlds. By one side, the stability and safety of proteins, and in the other side, the improved contrast of metals.